Friends, open Pixar tab. Now tap on this plus pink icon. Now tap on this backgrounds. Now select the black color. Now tap on these tools. Tap on this crop. Tap on this portrait. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. Now first step you have to go to add photo and select the PNG. And this is the PNG. Simply stretch out like this and bring it down and arrange in this portion. Now tap on this eraser. Tap on this eraser and you have to erase these icons like this. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. The next step you have to go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the model image today we are going to use. The first step you have to go to cutout tool and erase the background. Now tap on this brush and keep the size like this and draw on the model image like this. Now tap on the tick. Now by using this eraser, tap on this eraser and you have to erase these unwanted parts, but it will take so much of time, so I already did it. Okay, you have to erase the background perfectly. It is how it look like after erasing the background, and you have to arrange this model image in this portion center like this. Tap on the shadow, tap on this position, make it 100, make it 100. Now tap on these colors, tap on these colors and select the orange color. Okay, how to select the orange color? Tap on tick. Now go to adjust, increase the brightness to 100 and keep it around 40. Perfect. Okay, you have to arrange in this portion like this in the center. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to go to draw, tap on draw and tap on this brush, tap on this first one and keep the size to 128 and opacity to around 30 and hardness to around 20. Now tap on zoom multi. Now have to draw on the bottom portions like this. Okay, how to draw on the bottom portion, tap on tick. The next step we have to add the PNG. Go to add photo. This is the PNG. Simply stretch it like this. You have to go to blend, tap on screen. Perfect. You can arrange in this portion like this. Tap on tick. The next step you have to add the light PNG. Go to add photo. This is the light PNG. Simply stretch it and keep it on the top like this, and you have to go to blend and you have to make it screen. Simple. Now tap on tick. The next step you have to go to tools, go to adjust and do the final touch up. Decrease the little brightness and give little contrast, clarity little bit, a little more saturation, a little more highlights, a little more shadow and temperature little bit. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special creative concept photo editing tutorial is completed. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.